In this tutorial, we will go through the steps required to set up and manage the inventory in PackageSmart. This tutorial is for PackageSmart administrators and managers. If you have administrator or manager rights to your company, you will have an additional tab on the top of your PackageSmart window called Manage. Click on this tab and you can select Approve Processes, Impact Assessment Methods, and End-of-Life Waste Scenarios. In this screen, you will be selecting available inventory items from the complete PackageSmart database on the left and placing your items in your approved inventory list on the right. Users and viewers of PackageSmart will only see this approved inventory list rather than the complete list of many thousands of items. As a manager, you can edit 6 approved inventory lists: materials, energy, processing, transport, impact assessment methods, and end-of-life waste scenarios. First, select the tab for the list you want to edit. We will start with materials. You can use the subcategories on the left to help you find the appropriate inventory, or you can type up to 6 characters in the search field, and PackageSmart will narrow your search to inventory that contain those characters. Once you have found the inventory you want to use, simply drag it from the left-hand side of your screen to the right. Continue until you have added all the inventory items you think your group will need. You can delete items by clicking the trash can icon on the right. After editing your material, energy, processing, and transport, you can change the approved impact assessment methods and end-of-life waste scenarios. For this demo, you only have one impact assessment method, packaging impacts, and one waste scenario, US waste. Others can be made available when you purchase a license to PackageSmart. This concludes the How to Manage the Inventory tutorial. In the next tutorial in this series is Setting Preferences. If you have any questions, email support@earthshift.com or dial 802-434-3326 extension 2.